Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to attack networks. We will start with WEP network, then WPA and WPA2. Before attacking anything, please let's upgrade our Kali Linux as we learned previously. Apt-get update. So always we need to use to update our Kali Linux when we log in. And if you would like to upgrade it as well, so you can write apt-get dist upgrade. I'll show you now, just to make sure you have the latest updated packages and updates. Okay, then we can write apt-get dist upgrade. Yes. This will take longer time, so I'm gonna pause the video until it finishes, then we'll proceed. So here it's asking us to press Q button, then it will proceed. I'm gonna pause it again until it finishes. So the upgrade process, it will start upgrading all the tools and applications, as you can see here. It's 3987.162 over 3987.132. Here it's nano 4911 over 481. Okay, now it's finished. Let's make sure our wireless adapter is connected. It's not connected. Okay, wconfig again. Okay, now it's connected. We'll use one tool called wifite. This tool, it will start changing the wireless adapter to monitor mode automatically, like here. And it will start searching for Wi-Fi networks close by also automatically. So let's wait a little. So after waiting a little, here we can see all the networks start appearing. So let's say I want to target this lab 1 network where its encryption type is WEP and it works on channel 11. So what I need to do is I'll press Ctrl C for one time and wait a little. After that, it's asking me to select target or targets from 1 to 8, separated by commas or dashes or all. Just I want to write the number 1. It's lab 1. This is the network. This is my network, by the way. I'm connected to it on the Windows machine, but on Kali Linux I'm not connected to it. So I'll attack it without even connecting to it. So I'll choose 1. Then what will happen, see here, is doing fake authentication attack. It's trying to authenticate in a fake way to this network even without knowing the password. So when the tool is trying to do a fake authentication attack with the target network, we can press Ctrl C for one time just to show you how to do the authentication attack. Ctrl C one time. Then you can choose the first option, deauthenticate clients and try the attack, or you have another options. Through the process of the authentication attack, this tool will get the handshake which will be required to analyze the IVs or the good packets collected from the target network to get the password. So to get the Wi-Fi key, we need one important thing. It's the handshake, which we can get it through disconnecting all clients connected to the router through the authentication attack. So I'm going to choose the first option, 1, enter. Here, this tool sent 2 deauthentication attacks. This disconnection will be very minimal, where the clients or the user will not feel it. Then after this, it's trying to do a fake authentication with the router, and as we've seen before, this is my router MAC address. See, it's trying to do a fake authentication attack. This fake authentication attack will cheat the target router and it will authenticate with it as it's one of its users, and then it will start trying to crack the password. So if you find any WEP network around you, this tool is the easiest tool to crack the password. So if we wait a little now, we're gonna see how this tool is going to get the password. By the way, I have kept 13 digits password here. If you can see here now, this is the password or the hexa key, and this is the SSID, similar to mine. So I think it just took 5 to 7 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, and it will find the key, and I have kept the key here 13 digits, which is considered as a long key. Sometimes what will happen, this ASCII key here, it will not appear. So I'll show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network, which you already crack it, using this hex key. What you need to do is just you need to remove the colons from this number and use it as is instead of the password. So let's try to direct it to the network. So it's 31 without columns, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 30, 31, 32, 33. So just press OK, and that's it, connected. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you another way for cracking the WEP networks, and it will be a little longer than this.